Okay. Go, baby.
Sikat na vlog.
Hapon.
140. Go. 140. Ako.
Wait a second, honey. See you later, Baba.
Oh, guys, look here.
Smile.
Look here.
Wait lang, kuya.
1, 2, ready.
Thank you. Go, Baba.
Pwede kayo sumunod dito mo.
Okay, okay, okay. See you, Baba.
Okay, go. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you're wearing pink too, Baba.
Kaya natin yung mag-tour skate sa inyo.
Sumakit. Meron bang kaya sa guys?
Look at mommy. Holly! Hi, Baba! Hi, baby! Are you having fun? Picture, kuya. I'll take your photo. Smile, baby! Smile! Wow, baby! Doing by yourself? Maganda yung nagtatakbo kayo kanina, kuya.
Holly, one more lap.
Oo. Punta ako doon, siguro. Opo.
Holly.
Go, Baba.
Nandun sila yung...
Well done. Okay, kuya. Okay na siya, kuya. Oh. Okay. Mayroong picture si Holly dito. Magkano siya? 100. Claim natin siya kasi cute naman. And si Holly ayaw niya pang yeah. So ito yung remembrance niya dito sa Baguio, riding the horse. 100 pesos. Okay, tingnan si Patricia, may papakita siya. Go. Sikat daw to dito. Oh, yan. Oh my God. Holly! Don't touch it! Ayan, oh, sikat daw to dito sa Baguio. What's that one? Squishy? It's gonna pop. Remember? Us, Daddy. Oh, sige, shout out.
Ano na lang. Holly here. Visit kayo rito sa Wright Park pag napunta kayo sa Pilipinas.
Okay, dito guys, meron silang ayan, ay tindahan sila dito. Meron sila dyan sa isang car. Dito ang mga girls. Say hi!
Hi.
How's your ride, Holly? Good. Ayan, daanan natin yung The Mansion. Ayan siya. Nakapasok dyan si Dad doon sa loob. Oh, nakapasok daw doon si Dad noon. Bumaba kami sa car, magpapapicture tayo doon sa The Mansion kasi nadaanan naman natin siya. Sayang din. And sasabay siya sa akin. Nauna na siya. And si Pat ang mapipicture sa atin. Si Kuya na feeling well, guys. Masakit daw yung throat niya. Ayan, seedless daw. Is it seedless? Beautiful. Oh, sumi. Pagbalik namin, Kuya, magpa-picture lang kami. Okay. Sarap? Good, Zach? Nice, yeah? Yun nga lang, ang daming nagpapa-picture, so chichempo tayo. So, pila muna tayo. Dapat pa dinala din natin yung selfie stick. Ang cute.
Ito, tita, pa ganyan.
Wala pa.
Ito, tita, ito.
Yeah. Family.
Sige, tita. Okay, 1, 2, you. Okay.
I will try to play my part. My lies memorized in my heart.
Nakabili tayo ng 1 kilong orange kasi gusto ni John. Pero nauna naman siya doon. Next destination, kain muna tayo ng lunch. Dito tayo sa building nila, sa family ni Kuya Jay. Right, Kuya Jay? Your family is
Yes, yes. It's our
Kuya.
family's building.
Building. Maraming may kainan and salon, no, Kuya?
Yeah.
So dito tayo sa underground, nagpark lang tayo. What car is this, son? Toyota?
Land Cruiser.
New Land Cruiser. Is it the full sunroof?
Yes,
Kuya?
yes.
Ah.
With the sunroof.
Yeah, the full one, not the half one.
This one is the GR.
Whose car is this?
Sa tito ko dito.
Ah! Oh my God, the whole family cars pala to. Ah, sa baba. Okay. Elevator tayo. Na lang tayo.
Sabi ko
Hagdan. So pasok tayo dito. Dito raw tayo kakain sa ni Kuya Jay. Oh, they have bulalo, babe.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sige, go ako. Order mo na kayo.
Okay, Kuya. Si Ate Gina pala is a doctor. Pediatrician si Ate Gina. So, i-check niya lang si Kuya. So, i-check niya lang yung throat.
Did you cook this morning? How was it? You feel like vomiting? What? Sore belly and headache. Oh, how was your cake? Is it soft?
Painumin si Kuya muna ng warm water. Pala tayo sa Inihaw Republic. Kung magawi kayo dito guys sa Baguio, hanapin nyo tong Inihaw Republic.
Linda? That's me.
Slowly.
We can close this. What is that?
Bigyan mo lang isang cup.
You wanna try? Coconut.
Kids, that's it. No, kids.
Try the coconut.
You take the...
I think you have that in...
Bicol.
Yeah, Bicol.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You have a lot of those
Yeah,
in Bicol.
we have a lot. Masarap.
It's sweet? Okay?
Look, inamoy na naman ate.
Oh, yeah.
No,
yeah.
after that, if you finish the...
You can have it open.
What's
The
this?
meat.
The juice.
Yeah, and the meat.
We can have it open and then we can eat the meat.
So when they're up in the trees, just fall on your head.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're dead.
You can just imagine.
Good luck.
Soup lang yung kay Kuya.
You can have some rice later probably.
Yeah, maybe you can sip
Remove
a
your
little soup.
plate. Hey, sabi ni Holly. Nandito na yung grill.
Oh my goodness, this is so much.
Wow, that's
There
a
you
lot.
go.
It is a lot.
This is Hungarian. That's pork barbecue. This is chicken barbecue, and that's liempo.
Oh, just the barbecue.
I'll get for you. I'll get rice for you.
Ay, maliit tignan mo. Gutom na.
Oo, kasi meat belly.
Thank you.
Okay, chicken.
Chicken.
Diba, chicken?
Sige, muna na kayo.
The chicken.
Here.
Si Kuya, kawawa.
Okay. Who likes the longanisa?
I'm good. And then,
You want the longanisa?
are you gonna eat it? You
All
sure? Half.
Toyo.
Sausage. Lempio.
Okay lang.
Sausage.
Jeff na lang.
Very good.
It's good.
Good?
Hungarian. Nagustuhan niya.
Gustuhan nila.
Yung sausage nagustuhan. Better daw nga
May
sa
toyo
ano,
pa.
sa kanina yung kinain. Kasi yung longganisa sa akin yung parang ano lang siya, yung sa clubhouse, kinumpare niya, mas gusto niya to.
Totoo?
Kasi yung ano pa rin siyang ano, yung parang
Longganisa kasi yun.
longganisa. Ito pa siyang Hungarian.
Good?
Yeah, this is German.
Oh my God. this is
Chicken.
good.
A little rice probably.
Okay ba?
Or
Focus naman kayo sa
Ay, oo ba?
Okay ba?
Yeah,
Masarap?
yes.
can ask.
You can eat all that, babe.
Ano gusto mo?
Magaling nga kapag ka ng bowl of soup.
Ah, Kuya wants another soup. That's good. You want corn? Yeah, there's a corn. Okay, just soup. Okay.
How do you like it?
It's okay?
It was
No, no,
actually
it's okay. I'll just put it in.
This is good too.
Yeah.
Tender ate. Ang sarap.
Sorry, boss. So good, Joe.
Yeah?
Good kuya. Thank you.
Okay.
Did you smell it, Zach? Did you smell it? Or you just eat it right away? You forgot to smell it. Oh. You forgot to smell. You want me to help you, Baba? You're hungry? Okay.
I don't really ate breakfast, that's why
I'm hungry.
What did you have for breakfast? Sandwich, huh?
sandwich.
I know, yeah. And then,
Mom,
yeah, I
it's
know.
dropped in that touch.
Parang papunta na siyang atsara ng may, alam mo yun?
Yeah, yung coating na niya.
Oo, parang siyang,
Sauce niya.
parang siyang ano, wala lang na yung laman ng atsara.
Oo.
Sarap. Impossible talaga si Kuya. Favorite niya to eh.
Ito kaya gusto niya.
Wala. Kuya kasi ano, init.
You want Jollibee? Yeah.
How about ano?
We can pass later for Jollibee.
How about the burger steak, Kuya? You don't, oh, favorite niya yun. Ayaw
Yeah.
Pancit Canton. No. Lahat ng favorite mo yun ah.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya sa kayo.
Kaya talagang burn ng mga... Like vomiting? Throwing up? Daan tayo siguro, bigyan tayo ng feminist.
Sige.
Sa pharmacy.
Hindi, tama kasi.
Nasa
Dadaan tayo dun, dadaan ko yung so init.
Tingnan nyo guys, kung si
Yeah.
Kuya kumain, kulang to sa amin. May tira kasi si Kuya hindi kumain. Dessert na sila, buko pandan. Gustong gusto ni John.
No, let Ate Pat fix it.
Oh my, tapos na kami kumain. Dinala sila ni Ate Pat sa... Where? Where?
It's a Korean store.
Korean na,
buy
it's
something
good.
for your dad.
Try, let Daddy try.
You buy one more for your dad.
Try mo.
No, let's buy one more. I'll get for you.
Dad, there's a mango.
I have to eat tea tonight.
Ah, Kuya, hindi yan kakain. Kasi kumain, sabi ko sa'yo, one day meal lang yan.
No, you can put this back so it doesn't...
Yeah,
Yeah.
does it? Yeah.
Yeah, every time you eat, you just pull it out.
Korean. How about you? Watermelon.
Water you want? I'll buy for you.
Lakasan ka nag-smoke kan. Dito tayo sa 6th floor office ng family ni Kuya Jay. Kuya Jay, sino dito? Ikaw?
Si Anthony.
Ah, your brother. Ito yung view. Sak, careful ha. Oh yeah, nice view. Baba, no. My God. Sakto, no.
Tita, ito, mas maganda yung view dito.
Ay, oo. Diyos ko, my God, it's too high. It's too high, my God. 6th floor. Sally, no.
Time to go inside.
Kasi bawal na dito mag-smoke, guys. May area na lang dito sa Baguio na pwede ka mag-smoke. Tapos nakita si Jan na nag-smoke somewhere, pero so, nakita mo dyan nag-smoke siya?
We can rewind that.
Standing right down just there.
We can rewind.
So, kaya nga eh. Dito tayo sa guys. Dito tayo sa Burnham Park. Si Holly kasi gusto niya ganyan.
Ay, kaya na lang mag-boating.
Ayoko naman.
Si Sakcha
Yeah.
Better,
The
tita.
design
kaya nga.
of the city is Daniel Bernard. Rice cake.
Rice cake han. Ay, meron din silang bibingka. Ukoy ba to?
Okoy, yes.
Oo. Ay, sarap. Gusto ko yung purple. Baguio iced coffee. Iced coffee here in Baguio.
Hot coffee. Ayan, hot
Ayan, sa'yo. Meron tayong puto bongbong. No, that's yours.
Cold ka naman.
Puto bongbong.
You have to spread the
Butter.
sugar and then butter.
We'll spread it like this.
You and
Patry ko yung bibingka kay Jan.
Try that.
Can you give me more? A little more?
Okay. Okay. Nice, di ba? Sarap yung bibingka eh. Nagustuhan. Ay, maganda naman tayo dito. Wala man lang tayong selfie dito eh. Bibingka. Puto bongbong you don't like? Or you like this better? I think this one is better for you.
better? That one, the bibingka?
Bibingka. Bibingka na gusto ni Jan. Oo.
And you're not in the mountain.
Bibingka.
They taste it. There's sugar there. You put some
Just there, bro.
There's sugar.
Kalamansi. Pasok tayo sa Baguio Cathedral, guys. Pasok tayo sa Cathedral ng Baguio. Umuulan na ate. Better? Tapos na kami mag-pray. It's
Not
hot.
yet?
Oo, hot daw. Ayan na si Kuya, nag-toilet lang sila. Sipat na.
Okay.
Na sipat na tulog.
Lead the way.
Si Holly. Si Kuya na lang gising. Nag-aaral ka na? Nag-aaral siya. Pasok ka bukas?
Meron dito.
Meron. We're back na pala dito sa ano guys, sa country club. Ha? Ano, sila Ate Gina at saka Kuya Jay. Babalik ulit. Gusto niya lang kaming pagpahingahin kasi si Kuya na feeling well. So baka mamayang 7 magkikita-kita ulit kami. Kasi nalibot naman namin yung Baguio. So yun. Kaya dito muna ako muni-muni. Si Kuya tsaka si Sak nasa taas na. Si Jan magpapausok doon sa area kung saan pwede siya magpausok. Busog na busog ako. Ang sarap ng ano, puto bumbong nila. Dito raw, through the years, ang pagpuputo bumbong. Hindi ko alam sa Manila. Kasi sa amin sa Bicol, wala akong nakita. So, first time ko matikman ulit to after how many years. And yung orange, gustong-gusto ng mga bata. Si Sak, si Jan, tsaka si Holly palang kumain ngayon. So, yan. May 3 pa. 4 yan. 250 yung benta ni Kuya. Makita pala kami guys sa room namin. Tingnan niyo si Jan. Binigyan siya ni Kuya Jay ng jumper. Ayan. Golf tournament. 2024. Tapos yung cup. Yung kay Jan. Johnny, yung isang golf course dito. Kuya.
It was not asleep.
Oh, they cleaned the room? Oh, nilinis nila yung room. Nice.
Yanni, you were not.
They cleaned the room. Oh, ayan. Magsi 7 o'clock na pala, guys. And di na matutuloy yung dinner namin sa labas. Kasi nag-text na si Ate Gina. Meron siyang emergency. Magdi-deliver siya ng bata. So, sabi niya, hindi niya alam kung anong oras siya matatapos. So, dito na lang kami kakain sa hotel. Eh, nakatulog ako, kagigising ko lang. Tingnan nyo, meron ako dito. Nagbakat dyan yung, ano, basta, bakat yung unan dito. May mark siya dyan. So, bukas na lang namin kikitain sila Ate Gina and Kuya Jay. Si Kuya hindi sumama kasi masama ang pakiramdam ni Kuya. Wala pa siyang kain. Ang kinain niya lang ay humigop lang siya ng soup. Yun lang yung kain niya the whole day. Wala siyang ganang kumain. Ngayon nag-order siya kung may ramen daw. Order ako siyang ramen. And kung wala, mag-spaghetti raw siya. Nagpapaunahan sila kung sino mauuna ang bubukas na elevator. And si Mel nag-text din, kinakamusta kami. Sabi naman, we are good here. Ano na? Sino maunang bubukas?
It's not that one. I can hear it coming up. No, it won't. Yours is that one.
Sino mauna kaya sa dalawa? Ang tagal.
Mom, it's this one. I know it is.
Si Kuya nasa bed lang
I
siya.
got my skater.
So, okay na lang din kung hindi tayo makakalabas ngayon. Kasi nga si Kuya hindi din feeling well. Yung kanina, nung pumunta tayo sa park, hindi rin sumama si Kuya. Nasa car lang siya. Si Sak ang nanalo.
Biodegradable laundry bags come in a few sustainable. Members and guests are invited to go strawberry picking there with their children. Fresh produce from the farm is
Dito na lang tayo, ha? Sa labas. Here, outside. Appetizer. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin natin, guys. So, naka-order na tayo, guys. Pakita na lang namin mamaya yung order namin. Thank you. Meron tayong dinner roll. Gustong-gusto nila ang bread dito. Holy careful. Kasi freshly baked talaga yung bread nila dito. You want water? Thank you. No, thanks daw. Wala. Thank you. Sarap talaga ng bread. Si Jan. Thank you. Yan yung mango shake natin. Coke Royal kay Sak. Thank you. Ayan, nag-order akong mushroom soup. You're starving.
Oh, save that button. Oh, save that button from me. No, because I want that for myself. You already have garlic bread.
This is good stuff.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have garlic.
So nice, you should try.
This is for
Baba, you have food to eat. Nakadalawat kalahati na siyang bread.
Grandma had my thing. I can have this and
Better.
oh, you've had 3. And had 2, 2.5. So that's half. What Dad wants it. I get it on. So I can put it back.
Dito yung order ni Holly. Thank you. Yung ano niya. You're right. Thank you. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. Okay, John. It looks nice, this. What's this? Clubhouse? Clubhouse? Oh, grilled clubhouse yung kay John. How about Holly? Ham? Ham and cheese. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you po. Ham and cheese. Kain na sila. Good? 2 flavors. Nice, huh? Nice? Beautiful. Ayan yung spaghetti ni Sa. Thank you. You're good. Yeah, my food is coming. Yeah, thank you. Lechon kawale. Thank you po. Yeah. Oh, Mang Tomas. Yes, thank you.
Anything else, sir?
That's good for now. Thank you.
I know.
Merong atsara.
Mom, also the cheese is crunchy. I love the smell.
You like it?
No, he said he loves the smell.
What smell?
No.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's good too. Ang sarap ng lechon kawali. So, yeah, tender. You will like it, I'll try. It's just the ice. It's just
handful. I don't like the plastic.
He ate all the
Jimmy, talk. Holly, bring your plate over here.
Give it. It smells. Parang smell downy yung tissue paper.
Mama, my tummy's heavy. It was just the perfect amount. That it was just the perfect amount. I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna have rice.
Ang saya niya, ang sarap ng dinner nila. Sa akin din masarap pero busog na ako. So, hindi ko yan mauubos. Ang sarap din ng garlic pero busog na ako. Sarap ng soup. Tingin siya ng dessert. Ako busog na ako. Pina-take away ko na yung tira ko kasi baka gusto ni Kuya. Pa-try natin. Eto ang sarap ng soup. Inuubos ko to kasi ang sarap. Apple crumble. Ah, you know what's missing? Cream. Cold. Good. Ah, it's not warm. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Ayan yung kanilang churros. Thank you.
Dark chocolate. Too much dark chocolate.
Tapos na yung ano ni Jan, apple crumble.
Okay,
And
I'll
then,
have this one.
yung churros, tinira nila si Kuya. And meron pang banana split. So, kakainin pa ni Jan. Kakainin pa ni Jan yung banana split. God, that's cute. Busog na siya. Thank you.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's
Akala
all-
nung
Oo nga, na-confuse. Oo, na-confuse. Oh, it's alright, it's our fault.
Pinaluto niya nung...
Oh, it's alright, it's our fault.
Prepare na rin yung bill.
Okay, yes, thank you. No, that banana
I'll
split.
like this help big zip.
Yeah.
Oh.
For my spoon.
What about it?
Chocolate.
Oh, I'm fine.
Chocolate.
What's it called?
I want the cherry.
Mom, it's very fancy.
Very what? Fancy?
Fancy, the chocolate.
Yeah, you just had, but this part is really good. Sinukuan niya na guys yung bananas but di na. Sobrang busog niya na. Hinintay lang namin siya kasi nag-smoke siya. Pakita niya raw sa akin yung pool. And meron pala sila dito yung gym. Ayan. May mini golf dito. Tapos yung pool, mini pat-pat pala. And then yung pool nandun. Dark naman. Di naman natin makita, Baba. Come on. We cannot see it. It's dark.
Maybe in the morning I can show you.
Yeah, it's alright. Okay, go, Baba. Tingin tayo dito sa loob. Paintings. Cute naman dito. Mirrors. Isa lang pala. Mirror lang pala. BCC Kids Art Wall.
I really like this one.
Look at this one, Baba. And this one. This is what's in here. Nauna na pala yung spaghetti ni Kuya dito, no? Almost done. That's good. Nag-picture pa kasi kami ni Holly dun sa baba. Papunta dun sa ano, yung pinunta natin. Ayan. Nakaligo na ako and nakapag-skincare. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Mag-good night daw si Holly. Nag-BBS lang siya. Say good night. Night, guys.
Good guys.
Yes, okay.
Night guys.
Mwah.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Thumbnail.
Yeah, there's no big chunks in it at all. It's beautiful.